Previously in my last video. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. So in my last video, if you haven't seen it yet, it's up here and in the description. I turned myself into the corpse bride, which is a couple costume that Jordan and I did 2 years ago. Pictures are here if you haven't seen it already, and I tried to recreate my look. So we've never actually sat down and did like some sort of a Q&A video or the boyfriend tag that everyone loves to watch. But we want to do it Halloween edition and do it as the boyfriend tag, as the corpse bride, and Victor. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video. He hates it already. He's like, I do not want to do this at all. But it's almost Halloween and I'm excited to show you guys some costumes and some fun stuff. So let's just get right into some boyfriend, girlfriend tag questions. I think we should start off with, how did we meet? How did we meet, Jordan?
You met in the city.
Do you feel embarrassed? Are you okay?
Yeah.
How did we meet, Jordan?
The first time we met, or how did we meet, I would have to say I was a freshman in high school and we met in the city.
Accurate.
In St. Mark's.
Yeah. I knew who Jordan was. I think he knew who I was, but actually like to hang out like
the first time we actually met in person.
Yes, was then. I know what you were wearing because I remember the day. He was wearing
a striped v-neck with blue jeans and moccasins.
No, you were wearing a floral pocket shirt. I don't know. It's a toss-up.
Gray v-neck. Gray striped v-neck with like blue skinny jeans and moccasins that I stole from Urban Outfitters. Sorry, Urban Outfitters.
You stole them?
Yes.
Anyway, that was kind of, I guess, maybe more of a botched description, but I did make an actual like fun cinematic storytelling video of how we met, and it's up here and linked in the description below. Am I a coffee or a tea person?
I don't consider you a coffee or a tea person because in like the past 2 years you haven't been drinking coffee or tea because there's too much caffeine and it makes you crazy.
Yes, I start twitching. I had iced coffee this morning because I could not resist. It was like when it's made in the machine and it's that certain perfect like milky creamy color, I need to get it.
Deli coffee.
Like deli coffee. Oh my god, it's the best. Am I a good kisser? Say yes. That's what this says.
Yes.
At what point did you decide to make us official? After I literally was like, Jordan, be my boyfriend. For like months. I was like, cuff me. I was like, Jordan, it's cuffing season. Be my boyfriend.
It all just led into, I just scissored, but yeah.
Describe my dream house. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Scratch that. Describe me in a single word. And then I'll describe you. The first thing that came to my head of describing you is moody.
I was gonna say annoying for you. You're so annoying.
You're so moody.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do I have any birthmarks?
Your whole body's a birthmark.
I have beauty marks everywhere. Because I'm beautiful.
That I found. Do I talk in my sleep?
He does. You don't talk in your sleep, but sometimes you're like this. When Like, you make these crazy scary noises and I punch him. Like, I punch him in his sleep.
Well, why don't you tell them why I make noises? Say I have sleep paralysis.
I don't...
Make me feel normal.
You are normal.
Yeah, not the way you said it.
He can't wake up. So when I feel him in his... This is how I know we're soulmates. When I feel him sleeping in his presence and struggling to get up, like a light goes off in my head and makes me wake up. And I wake up and punch him so hard to wake him up because it's the only way that it'll get him.
Last time she punched me in the spine and it was like the worst pain I've ever had. And then I couldn't sleep for like 3 hours. She goes, I was trying to help.
Yeah, because I'm trying to help. Ask me.
I was gonna say, do you think your family likes me?
Yeah.
Have I ever stolen anything?
Well, you just admitted you stole a pair of moccasins from Urban Outfitters, and you go into Target and you're like, ooh, chapstick. Like, ooh, and like puts chapstick on and like puts it in his pocket. Have you ever pretended to sleep to avoid an argument with me?
So many times.
Real? What?
I don't know, Bianca's really moody too. She'll be in a mood, she'll be angry because I don't want to do something or just like, or I'm not in the mood to like
doing
go out.
activities.
I just really enjoy staying at home sometimes.
We are very
Majority
opposite.
of the time I really like staying inside and just like, I don't know, watching a movie or...
Oh, this morning when we were eating breakfast, Jordan goes, Bianca, I really want to watch a movie with you later. And I thought that was the cutest thing.
But yes, how often do I lock my keys in the car?
Jordan locks his keys in the... Actually, he hasn't done it in the past few years, but Jordan locks his keys in the car. Oh my God, in the most inconvenient times. It's always when like you have to poop or something. When did we first kiss?
I hate talking about these things.
Jordan hates talking about kissing. I just won $1 million. What's the first thing I'm buying?
A prenup? If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you live?
I want to live in so many places. I want to live in England again. I want to live in Texas. I want to live in like Nashville for a hot second. I want to live in California somewhere. Probably not LA, but like somewhere else. I want to live in Italy. I want to live in Australia and New Zealand. I want to live in a lot of places.
So, if you had to give up one, which one would you not celebrate? Halloween or Valentine's Day?
Valentine's Day, go by, you're canceled. I will never give up Halloween in my life.
If I was an animal, which one would I be?
Like personality-wise?
Whatever you think.
A slug. Or a sloth.
I'll take the sloth. You know, slugs, you gotta give slugs credit. I think slugs are actually kind of cute. I'm missing, where is the first place you would look?
In the bathroom.
It's the only place I can get quiet to myself.
We'll
wake up, it'll like, I won't even be up for like 5 minutes and Bianca will already read to me like 6 graphic novels. And like...
He told me once, I wrote a poem about it. I should go get it. I have it in my book. I wrote a poem about it because Jordan, one morning, he was like, Bianca, I love you, but I can't listen to you talk about your goals for life at 9 in the morning. And I just don't care what I have on my bagel. I don't want cream cheese. I don't want butter. Do not talk to me. It is so early. He was like, because I wake up and I'm like, oh my God, I want to be productive. Let's do this and this and this. Oh my God, I want to change my room. I want to go get a poster. Let's go to Goodwill and change outfits and make outfits. And I'm like, oh, I'm gonna make a breakfast buffet for breakfast. I love breakfast buffets. Can we go to a hotel soon? I love breakfast buffets.
You're already saying too much for me now.
If you get a call that I'm arrested, what did I do?
You probably killed somebody. Every time Bianca gets really mad or something or angry and like something happens, she goes, I totally just blacked out right there.
If you were stuck on a deserted island with me, what would you do?
Have to find food because you're probably gonna say, I'm really hungry.
Yeah. Mention a movie I could watch 5 times in a week. You have to get this one right.
Was it Hocus Pocus?
No, it's not a Halloween one. But yeah, I could watch Hocus Pocus 1,000,000 times.
Shrek?
Elf. What are the things I cherish most in life?
Memories.
Oh, that's so sweet. What food can I absolutely not stand?
Oh, not stand? I thought you were going to say what's like your favorite food. I was going to say mashed potatoes, but
Yes.
what food can you not stand? Ketchup. I don't know if that's a...
Let's just do a last question. What's your favorite thing about me?
So my favorite thing about you would have to be your strong desire and ambition to keep going forth.
That was nice. I cut you off. Continue.
I'm trying to like word this right. It's that like, I don't know, like I know life can be hard and like everything that's going on also seems hard, but I just know despite how difficult everything might seem that you still push on every single day and try to do the best that you can with the things that you love.
So sweet, I could cry. Dr. Sweetie singing the planet.
Don't touch me.
I guess my fave thing about you, I don't want to say like that you're supportive, because that's, no, like you are, but it's in like a different sense, like just very like always there. Like you call Jordan, you're like, oh my god, like I'm going to die right now, and he's like, I'm outside. If I'm like, Jordan, my stomach hurts so bad, oh my god, my stomach hurts so bad, he's like, okay, what can I do? Like, do you want tea? Like, do you want something? Like, it's okay, just like go to sleep, like you're okay. Like things like that. Sometimes I'm sure he gets very irritated because I am like a crazy hypochondriac, but like when you have someone that's a little more patient than you, it's nice. Because I'm very impatient.
And I try to be patient.
You guys should go watch the How We Met video. I said it in the beginning of the video, but it's linked down below, and that's a little more insight on us. I guess without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got to know us a little better as a couple, and as the corpse bride. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next Vlogoween. Bye!